In the muscle, we have bundles of strands called myofibrils. Myofibrils are made up of two proteins, actin and myosin. These two overlap each other, which means they slide over each other. Actin slides together, myofibril shortens and come together, that result to contraction. Actin moves apart, while myofibril return to their original length.
Actin, as part of its structure, has a ribbon spiraling around it called trypomyosin, and it also has receptors on it called troponin. The other molecules that are involved in the mechanism are calcium ions, adenosine diphosphate or ADP, and inorganic phosphate or PI.
These combine to make ATP. When we want to move our muscles, an action potential or nerve impulse travels from the brain to the muscles, where it triggers an influx of calcium ions that bind to the troponin receptors. This causes the actin to change shape.
Tropomyosin moves away from actin, revealing binding sites for the myosin to attach to. This is called a cross bridge. The ADP and inorganic phosphate leave the myosin, causing it to contract and pull the actin towards it. This is called the power stroke. ADP and PI bind to form ATP, which binds to myosin to pull it away from the actin. ATP converts back to ADP and PI, causing the myosin to bind back to the binding sites, and the process repeats itself.